Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the GRILLS ZPG-450A, a wood pellet grill and smoker. It's actually an 8-in-1 barbecue grill with auto temperature control and 450 square inches of cooking space. This versatile cooking machine can grill, smoke, roast, bake, braise, char-grill, sear, and barbecue. And ZGrills has several other models of grills as well, if you want to check those out in the listing. This particular one has the Amazon's Choice endorsement, has about 2,600 ratings, with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. This is the 2020 upgraded version. It's powered by wood pellets, 450 square inches of cooking space, and weighs about 84 pounds. And it's 45 inches long by 28 inches deep and 49 inches tall. And there isn't any easier way to get wood smoked flavors than with a pellet grill. Try it and you'll taste the difference from a gas or charcoal grill. You just set the temperature, relax, and enjoy. ZGrills pellet grills will do all the work for you once you set the temperature. So no labor-intensive startup, no babysitting the grill, just enjoy the cooking. And you get consistent results every time. And whether you're smoking or grilling or everything in between, you can do the temperature range from 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's built to last. Sturdy steel construction with high temperature powder coating finish makes the pellet grill long-lasting, bringing you years of ultimate wood-fired grilling experience. And the large capacity hopper reduces the number of times you'll have to refill it. Nice. Now let me share with you a fantastic review from a verified purchaser. Attracted by the nice look of the ZGrills ZPG-450A, I clicked onto this item and found it seemed like a high-tech smoker. I got annoyed with my old charcoal grill since it's slow and hard to control and clean. ZGrills, by contrast, uses the wood fire technology to reach target temperature extremely fast and accurate. Also, the grease doesn't build up for the sake of the grease collector. The wheels make it easy to move the smoker around in my yard, and I need to say that installing this smart machine took me only an hour with all the tools needed in the box. I tried salmon and lamb with pecan wood pellet. It works like a charm. The meat was so tender and got the sweet flavors deep inside. It's time to say goodbye to my old charcoal grill. Sounds delicious. Well, there you go. Order yours today, and with Amazon Prime you can get free shipping and free delivery. So order yours today. I think you're gonna love it.